Hello, this is Andy from Team SAVOX. So today, I also want to teach you how to upgrade your servo in the RTR car. So this time, we choose ARRMA MOJAVE short course. They also can use a micro servo like SW-0267, but this time I will change the beta one, the cordless one. We push. So this one is the original one. So will be the RTR Servo from the car. So you can see a little bit weak and a little bit slow. Then we'll upgrade to the servo. Then we can see the difference. Same. The two button one, there's a mounting for servo and also for the ESC. So the design is really nice. The ESC and servo is mounting together. So you only need to change, take these two screws out, and then you have a whole unit can change. So you can see the whole unit is out. So there's a servo mount. So we need to take out the screw for the servo mount. Okay. So there's a servo. So we'll change the cordless servo. So you can use the SAVOX SW-1233, more speed and more torque. So first, we need to find the neutral point first. Okay, servo is working without problems. Okay, so right now already changed to the SAVOX servo, the cordless one, the cordless micro servo. So you can see it's more sensitive. And we'll see the difference. The same. Press the power. You can see the wheel still very powerful. We have a holding power on the top. So it's not getting slower, and then it's powerful. So you can see when you hold the tire and the steering, the SAVOX servo is still very powerful. You can see the move. So take out the servo mount. So we'll put the servo back, the RTR servo. The servo mount. Okay. Okay. So I will show you again the power. Okay, so there's a original RTR servo. You can see it's shaking a little bit weak and slower. So you can see the movement is much different compared to the upgrade servo. Thank you. Okay, so if you have the waterproof request, then you can choose a SAVOX SW-0267 for your upgrade servo for the 118 electric car. So this time I will change the SAVOX SW-0267 for you guys. So this servo is fully waterproof and it's an IP67. So I will change and you can see the difference. So let's put in the SAVOX waterproof servo. So you can also see the difference. Okay, so you can see. So it's not powerful as a coil servo, but it's powerful as a RTR servo. Yeah. So you can see. Compared to a coil servo, it's a little bit weak, but compared to the RTR servo, it's still powerful. So if you need a waterproof version, you can choose SW-0267.